All right, I'm going to do a session recap for the 29th day of September. And this morning we were watching as the dollar hints, it's only hinting that it is going to go up. But as you can see, moving averages now come out into the open down there, and you got a green histogram showing you that that's probably a fourth wave to a fifth wave. All right, the market is reversing as we speak based on that, but it's not proven. All right, over to euro dollar. All right, so if the dollar is going up, this will now not go up. It'll go down. Look for it to come down to this fib tonight. Take that off. All right, down to this fib tonight. Pound dollar, same thing. Made a flip, did, and headed down. We put in a lower high. There's the hook, all right there. And we can't trade it this late, but watch for it to come down, down to this fib down here. You know, 33, 32, somewhere around in there. Dollar Swissy can't trade it, but it helps us with the dollar. And sure enough, it's trying to push up after a ABC, close and reverse to the upside there. Moving average is definitely out in the open right there. All right, so that means dollar yen should try to flip, and it already went to the downside. So watch for it to, it's already done its ATR, so nobody's trading it right now. But watch for it to bounce to the upside and look for the top of the this top up here tonight. Euro yen. All right, went to the downside last night when the dollar was going down, went with it. So if the dollar's going up, this is most likely a pullback to go again. You can see that that MACD is already telling you, yep, we're already trying to go up. All right, and it follows the dollar right now. It went down last night, dollar went down. Pound yen, all right, pound yen went down last night with the dollar and went right to its target, and there it is right there. So if a dollar goes up here tonight, now it's going to flip and go to the upside. So watch for that. All right, over to Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie coming down hard right now. Can't trust this. Can't touch this. But wait. Well, we can redo this. Hold on. Let me get rid of that to the upside. And I get rid of this to the upside, get rid of this to the upside, as they say, hey, we're not doing that. All right, so I'm going to flip this, take it to the high here, and then flip it to the downside. 97 pips. Come on. Here we go. Nothing here. So watch for a double bottom tonight, and we might break down into the 7,700 area. Okay. Hey, hold on just a minute. I got to take this call. I'll be right back to you. All right, sorry. I had to take that. I'll be back. So Swiss yen already did it. Watch for it to bounce and go the other way. All right. Pound Aussie in this trade live this morning and doing pretty well. And we're going to hold for the 2.618. Then tonight, watch for it to come down to the 4.236 down here. Big wide open space down there. Euro New Zealand, all right. Euro New Zealand should be flipping. It is, as you can see, making the turn. So we'll get rid of that, get rid of this, all this stuff, get rid of it. And let's see, if we're going to reverse, let's see how many times I put the money in. 1, 2, maybe 3. All right, for sure 1, and for sure 2. But this is all just little slush money coming in. So watch for it to break to the downside. You already got divergence, as you can see. All right, so this makes a lot of sense. Looking for that tonight. All right. So get rid of that. Trading is logical. It makes sense. All right. If it doesn't make sense, you don't trade. So it's that simple. We put a fib on here from the swing high to the swing low. There we go. Stop. They know them. 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 Okay, good. All right. Look for that tonight. Finally, pound New Zealand. All right. We're waiting for a hook back up, not getting one. But if we do, pulls back up, then trade 1 is here. And trade 2, well, now it should already be in. All right, but that's trade 2 right there. MACD tells you you're going down. There you go. All righty.